Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Monday, December 7th. It's so good to be here. We've got an interesting week this week. You guys did such an amazing job with academic tenacity that I want to keep talking about it this week because that's kind of part of tenacity is you keep on doing it. But I also wanted to do another virtue that goes with Christmas time and something special we have going on campus. So we actually have a dual virtue and habit of success for 4th through 8th grade this week. We're going to keep talking about our habit of success, academic tenacity, and we're going to talk about generosity and this really fun sock drive that we're going to do. But before we start talking about that, please stand at attention for the Pledge of Allegiance. Stand at attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. All right, let's see. I'm going to get ready to talk about generosity first. So I'm going to put on my Santa hat for this one. All right. So generosity, here's what we got going on. There is a lot of talk around Christmas time about how it's better to give than receive. And part of that makes it so special is when you give somebody a gift that really makes them feel amazing. And Mrs. Siegel thought of a really cool thing to do. Let me give you a little bit of a background. There are places in California that had really huge wildfires this year in 2020, just like we did in 2018. And we want to do something nice for one of those schools in the same way that people did something nice for us. So if you were part of Achieve, the year of the campfire, you'll remember that that Christmas, a group of middle schoolers from another school came to Achieve and gave us all pajamas. And they had raised money for pajamas. They bought all these pajamas for us. Interestingly, that school, those exact students had lost their homes in the big fire in Santa Rosa the year before. So they knew like how special this would be. And we thought like, oh my goodness, this is so amazing because it shows that people care about us. And it's something like cozy and fun, like pajamas, which is just nice. So Mrs. Siegel, well, our whole staff's been thinking like, what can we do? We want to start taking care of these schools in the Santa Cruz Mountains that had this happen this year. And Mrs. Siegel had the great idea to do a sock drive. So here's your mission. If you choose to accept it, talk to your parents, see if you can go shopping this week. This is a 1 week only event. We have to have the socks by this Friday because we have to mail them to that school and they have to get them to their students before Christmas. So your job, your part of it is this. Whatever grade you're in, try and buy a pair of socks. Or if they come in a little pack, that's fine too. But just even one pair is awesome that somebody in your grade would like. So if you're an 8th grader, you're shopping for an 8th grader. If you're a 4th grader, you're shopping for a 4th grader. Find something they would like. Find socks with Fortnite on there or bacon or Chewbacca or, oh my goodness, I saw some really good ones with like some unicorns and some narwhals. Those were some pretty good ones. All kinds of good socks out there. Make sure you bring them in by this Friday. Talk to your teachers, ask where they're going to be. Where you need to put them in class. Back to academic tenacity for a second. You guys did amazing last week. I've got more tickets if your teacher needs them. I will show you the snowman update tomorrow. As you can see, I'm still struggling with my computer. I can share the slides on Zoom, but it takes a little more. And we're talking about the sock drive, more than I can handle for one assembly. But we'll show off the snowman tomorrow. So if you've been putting parts on your snowman, put them on there. If you really want to see other classes, just ask your teacher. They're all in the same slideshow and they can show you what other classes are up to. Have a great day, Achieve. Pick the right PFAs to focus on today. If you don't know which ones that is, talk to your teacher about it and make sure you're focusing on the right ones. Have a great day.